Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the featherweight champion, the DJI Mini 2 SE drone, and on the right, the heavyweight contender, in features, not weight, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal, 4K GPS drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a flight to remember. Let's start with the first category. Price. The DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $279. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than a weekend getaway. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom comes in at a not-so-wallet-friendly $449. For that price, it better come with a personal masseuse. So if you want to save some bucks for pizza, DJI Mini 2 SE is your guy. But if you're feeling fancy and want to splurge, Potensic Atom is ready to take your money and your heart. Next up, we've got weight and portability. Both these drones are lighter than my excuses for not going to the gym. The DJI Mini 2 SE and the Potensic Atom both weigh less than 249 grams. That's lighter than a bag of chips, people. So if you're planning on taking these drones on a hike, no need to worry about a sore shoulder. Just make sure you don't mistake them for a snack and try to eat them. Trust me, they're not that tasty. Now, let's talk about flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers an impressive 31 minutes per battery. And with the combo, you get up to 93 minutes of flight time. That's longer than most of my relationships. The Potensic Atom, on the other hand, promises 96 minutes with its 3 batteries. So if you're looking to spend more time in the sky than on the ground, Potensic Atom is your flying buddy. Moving on to the camera quality. Because let's face it, if the drone can't take good selfies, what's the point? Reviewers say the DJI Mini 2 SE has a decent camera, capturing high-quality pictures and videos, and maintains stability in windy conditions. However, the Potensic Atom steps it up a notch with a 12 megapixels camera and 4K 30 FPS video. Plus, it has a 3-axis gimbal to keep your footage smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. So if you're an aspiring filmmaker or just want to make your Instagram pop, Potensic Atom is the clear winner here. Let's talk transmission range. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 10 kilometers transmission range. That's like flying from one end of the city to the other without losing signal. Impressive. Potensic Atom, however, gives you a 6 kilometers range. Not too shabby, but it's like comparing a marathon runner to someone who only runs for the bus. Still good, but not quite the same. Now for the fun part, special features. The DJI Mini 2 SE has some cool tricks up its sleeve with the DJI Fly app, making it beginner-friendly and perfect for those who are, let's say, drone-challenged. Reviewers love its ease of setup and use, wind resistance, and the return-to-home feature. Potensic Atom, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has visual tracking, quick shots, and even comes with a 64GB micro SD card. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features and easy manual flight control. It's like the drone equivalent of a multi-talented overachiever. Summarizing the reviews, the DJI Mini 2 SE is praised for its value for money, ease of use, and stability, making it a great choice for beginners. The Potensic Atom, while pricier, is lauded for its superior camera quality and advanced features, making it ideal for those looking for a more feature-rich experience. So who's the winner? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're on a budget and need something light and easy, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your match. But if you're ready to splurge for better camera quality and more features, the Potensic Atom is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember to fly responsibly and avoid any low-flying birds or your neighbor's cat. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!